Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So on a previous episode, I talked about how YouTube could help you be comfortable being uncomfortable. And specifically when you are outside shooting videos and there are people around just giving you really weird looks. So YouTube is extremely helpful for doing that. But another thing that YouTube will really help you with, and I feel it's even more valuable, is learning how to speak, learning how to communicate. This is a very valuable skill that could help you in every facet of your life. Now, I myself, I'm naturally more introverted, and so I typically don't like to speak to people or speak in public. But through doing YouTube, doing over 1,000 videos, I've gotten a lot better at that. Now, am I perfect at it? No. But am I better than I was before I started YouTube? Absolutely. Another thing that it allows you to do is whenever you are outside or you're in public and you're talking to a camera, you are actually learning how to focus. And whenever you do that, when you talk to people or you are giving speeches or presentations, it allows you to focus on your message and what you want to say and how you want to communicate that effectively. Whereas if you didn't have something like YouTube to teach you to do that, you would probably stumble, you would probably lose your focus, and it would just be very challenging like it is for a lot of people, because I think for most people, public speaking is one of the scariest things to do. Speaking with people, communicating with people is very hard. Even though it seems like it's easy, it's not. Just ask anybody who has to do sales or have to give public presentations or just who have to talk to people every single day. It is a very powerful skill that you can learn by doing YouTube. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below. And so those are my thoughts on how YouTube could help you become a better speaker, become a better communicator. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, whether it's speaking, whether it's being comfortable in uncomfortable situations, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my entire YouTube journey, I have a playlist. I will also leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. And if you're a creative geek like me, and you want to get exclusive access to more content that I don't put out here publicly on my YouTube channel, then join my Gold Content Creators group, where you're going to get content like this and more for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group.